welcome back to another video. Happy December 2nd. No, happy December 3rd. Let's start over. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the video. Happy December 3rd. Welcome back to another video. All right, y'all, let me quit playing. I'm about to go make my smoothie, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Just want to give you an OOTD of the day. Got to put my brown boots on, but casual as always. All right, let's go make this smoothie. Y'all hope I ain't shaking, but we're going to do the best we can because she's trying to drive. And my tripod, well, no, my magnet thing is broke, but yeah. Y'all, I'm smelling tuberose good this morning. Tuberose good. Like, I smell good. Do you ever feel like that? Like, I smell good. So, yeah, I smell good this morning. So, guys, I'm going to the store, and I'm going to look. I need to look for, like, a couple of things. So, if I can bring y'all along, I will. If I can't, then bear with me. You guys know I will share. And, I think later on too, I'm going to show you guys I'm going to show y'all something. So yeah, hope all is well, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next clip of this video. Bye. Oh my God, y'all, I'm scared. I'm going to show y'all. It's a whole bunch of people in this place. Y'all hold the line, please, and I'll show y'all real quick. I'm going to turn y'all around for a moment. Look at those people in there. Y'all, oh my God. Okay, let's take a look though. Y'all, look at all these people in here. When they come on, right? Oh my God, y'all, look at this gas, $3.01 a gallon. She's about to take advantage of it. She's almost on full, so that's good. I put $21 in here. So, yeah, I'll see you guys once I get home later on. Guys, I've been home, so I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to put together for dinner. I'm going to do that, and then it's 6:51. But currently, y'all, I've been on the move since I got home, and that's really bad. I need to really sit down. So after I finish doing showing you guys the goodies, then I'm going to end the video, and then I'm going to try to like relax, enjoy my evening without the hustle and bustle of doing things. It's like you hustle and bustle out there, and then when you get home, you hustle and bustle. That don't make no sense. But let me show you what I'm putting together for dinner. I got my I'm going to use a few of these out of this. I got cilantro. So basically what I'm having is I got my onions chopped. Y'all know I love onions. I got cilantro, I got mushrooms, and I got garlic. So I'm going to put the meatballs with all of that together in my pan here. And then if I get a chance, at the end of the video, I'll show y'all, what it looked like and whatnot. But let me show y'all what I was doing prior to doing that, the food. And I'm so mad because I broke something, and oh my God, I'll just show y'all. But anyway, look, y'all, we're in the office, and I removed the shelves. Everything's the same, basically. I removed the shelves off the wall because I'm going to do something with that. And then this is where I put that other gold flower pot. I'm gonna put a Sansevieria in here so it can be underneath, you know, under alignment with that. And guys, this is what I broke. I'm so mad. Remember my girlfriend gave me this for a housewarming, the Lord's Prayer little candle thing. My mom's souvenir rock from Arizona, it fell from over here and dropped right down, split on the thing. So I got to get these glass pieces up off the floor, and I'll come back and show you guys, like I said, what I got, and then I'm gonna basically end the video after that. But here are my shelves on the floor here. I'm not sure right now what I'm gonna do with them, but yeah, that's where they are right now. And guys, let me know in the video, what are y'all doing? Like, do y'all celebrate Christmas? Do y'all not celebrate Christmas? Do you guys give gifts? Do you not give gifts? At this time of year, are you like going through, you don't like to do, you know, do any of it? Let me know in the comments, because I think I never really said anything, but I only spoke for myself. But I want to hear from you guys. How do y'all do it? But I'll be back, and we'll get into what I found today, okay? All right, so this is what it's looking like now. Everything is sauteing, and then I got a little bit of cornbread left over, and my nice little dish. But yeah, guys, look at this. I gotta throw this away. Oh my gosh, like, I can't believe this happened. But yeah. Now, guys, although I didn't tell y'all my plans for that wall, first the wall gonna have to get patched up first, and then I think I'm going to either leave it blank, or I might put a different type of mirror or gold frame, really thin mid-century modern mirror right there. I'm not 100% sure, but I vacuumed everything up, and then the little degrees and stuff like that, I'm gonna put them on this wall up here. It's only like two, so I'm gonna put the smaller one, then the larger one, or the bigger one and the smaller one, and then that's it. But I already vacuumed up everything in here, and I told y'all this is a gold pot. It's a black pot, if you guys can see, with gold legs. So that is what I meant. So I'll be back in a second so we can get this haul done. All right, y'all. All right, guys. So welcome back to my channel. This part. So I picked up stuff from Goodwill. I showed you. Well, no, I didn't show you because it was just too much going on in there. So anyway, bins and Goodwill. So I'm gonna do the bins first. Today was 50 cents day. Y'all, are y'all like in this area? Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now that I changed. Y'all, how that happened for a reason to me, because this lamp fits perfect in here. This is more gray stuff in here, so that lamp fits perfect. See, I get so excited I forgot what I was saying. So anyway, today was 50 cents day, and I got $3.20 worth of stuff. So the first thing I found was this pumpkin. It is ceramic. I don't know if you guys can hear. It's ceramic. It's black. It's like a charcoal. It's kind of like a charcoal black, and it has like gray up here. But I'm going to keep this out, guys, because I think this will look nice. What I'm going to do is the platter that I had my perfumes in, I'm going to let that go out of my room and do something with my perfumes on my dresser for the, well, I'm going to do that for the bedroom anyway. But I'm going to set that circle thing in here with this, the cup, my little cup, these little things, coasters here, these real pretty coasters I got. I'm going to set these in there. That'll be the sitting area for the coasters, along with the two candlesticks on the table. So that's what I got. This was 50 cents. And it's a really nice size too. It's like the gray one. And I didn't have any ceramic bigger ones. Remember I told you I got rid of my smaller plastic ones? Y'all know I don't like plastic. So I got this for 50 cents. Oh, and clothes were a quarter. All clothes were a quarter, no matter what it was. Socks, bras, pants, shirts, anything. T-shirts, it was a quarter. The next thing I found was another pillow cover. Like, this is the outside of it, has a zipper. This is gray velvet. So this is going in my bedroom. So I have to find me some stuffing to put in here to put this in the bedroom. It's a really nice size rectangular one. And it's going to really go well with what I'm doing in there. Okay. So I got this. And I'm in need of glass coverings for your, like, Gorilla Glass for your cell phone. So I got this pack of cell phone cases. You get, I mean, not cell phone cases, but glass, Gorilla Glass. So it came with two, And then it has like the stuff that you put in here. So that's the brand or whatever. And I got 2 of those. So I'm going to give one to someone else. And okay, that's that. Those 3 items. Y'all. Now, y'all know in my bathroom, right? I got 2 pictures of silhouettes. One is a male and one is a female. Y'all know I traced the one that was female. I traced it from the woman one, okay? I did it myself. I think I brought y'all along, so y'all gonna have to go back in the videos and watch me do that. I wanted a sign in there because of those 2 pictures. I wanted a sign that was metal that said "Get Naked" because I think it would go good with those pictures, with the scheme that I'm trying to go in there. I'm trying to do in there. Y'all, I'm trying to get my house the way I want it because it's been maybe just a year and I'm almost there. I'm like 95% there, okay? So that's what I'm doing. So guys, how come I found this sign? Get naked. Just kidding. This is a half bath. Don't make it weird. Guys, this is real wood. Do y'all hear me? This whole thing is wood and it has the backing on it. It's a nice size. So I will be putting this, when you walk into the bathroom, it will be on that wall where the window is. I thought that was so nice. That is so nice. And this is exact same, look at that, the same typing as I wanted for the Get Naked metal sign. So I don't have to get it now. This was 50 cents. Let me see. Y'all, I got 2 dishes. Now, how come the bowls that I found the other day for $5 couldn't have been at that place for 50 cents? I got 2 of these stone ground bowls. These are the Threshold. Y'all, these are beautiful. And I don't know if y'all can see the shape. It's shaped weird like those bowls. So I got 2 of these for 50 cents. And these are more like, not the plates, but these are like the saucers. So what I wanted to show y'all today, I will probably show y'all tomorrow in another video of the kitchen, you know, and how I get rid of how I wanted to start with my new kitchenware. So I got these for 50 cents. And from Goodwill, I found me a Liz Claiborne bag. Look at that. Ain't that nice? It's all leather. And it has like the little brass clasp thing here, along with the Liz Claiborne thing. And then it tells you, this was half off, so it was $2.50. Green tags were, these little tags here would have been are half off. So it's a Liz Claiborne. It's like a tan taupe. It's like a taupe color and a, what color? Mustard. And I just think that's cute. Y'all, look at that. It goes with what I got on. Look at that. So I got me a new bag to carry. So I found this for $2.50 at Goodwill. And stand up because they want to see you over here. They want to see you right there. Oh, last but not least, guys. If I would have known this was going to be 99 cents today or before the last time I was in there, I would have got this. This is so, so nice. And this goes with the kitchen. It's all wood. It's like a blondish, distressed wood, real wood. And it's actually from TJ Maxx. If you guys could see, it was 99 cents at the Goodwill. This is metal, matte black at the top. And it's actually a pepper grinder. And it has pepper in it already. Like I said, it's brand new, never been used. 99 cents. No, this came from, I don't know. I think it's TJ. They sell TJ Maxx and home goods stuff. So that there. So that is all I got from Goodwill. These 2 items here. And I'm going to let go of my, I'm going to show y'all when I show you my kitchen stuff. But keeping this one, and I'm letting go of the shorter one that has my salts. It's actually a pepper grinder, but I already seen my tall black pepper grinder. So now I have a tall black one, and then this will be my salt one. So yeah, this is everything that I hauled. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget, love yourself so that you be a love others, so this world be a much better place. Bye, y'all.